Welcome to Daily New Drawings. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily New Drawings channel. In this video, we are going to draw beautiful cake. Let's draw it. Let's start with the plate. Then I draw the bottom of cake. And some creamy parts here. Now let's decorate it with these cute hearts on it. Then the second layer like this. And some creamy parts here. I draw 2 hearts here. And here I draw 3 candles on the top. Now I am using this black marker to make it more visible and lovely. It looks fantastic. Good job! Let's start coloring. I color the candle flame with orange. Then I use purple marker for the first candle. I use yellow. And green color for the third candle. I use chocolate color for the creamy part. Red for the heart. Parrot green color for the first layer. Then I use chocolate color again. And rainbow colors for these hearts. Purple. Orange, red, green. Now I am using yellow color. And gray color for the plate. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.